Have you ever pondered why quality control matters so much in the manufacturing and service industries? Why do companies invest so much in statistical methodologies? Well, it's all about delivering a product or service that meets or exceeds customer expectations every single time. Today, we're throwing the spotlight on two such methodologies: Statistical Process Control, or SPC, and Statistical Quality Control, or SQC. These might sound similar, but they have distinct roles in the quality management sphere, and indeed, they complement each other to form an effective quality management system. SPC zeroes in on monitoring and controlling processes. Its aim? To ensure processes operate at their fullest potential. It uses control charts to track process behavior, identify variations, and prevent defects before they occur. The goal of SPC is to maintain a stable process that produces consistent output, thereby reducing variability and waste. On the other hand, SQC has a broader application. It's about applying statistical methods to improve product quality. SQC includes SPC, but it's not limited to it. Acceptance sampling, inspection, design of experiments, and other techniques all come under the SQC umbrella. SQC's objective is to ensure that the final product meets customer expectations and regulatory standards. So, you see, SPC is your go-to for real-time process improvement. It's like the vigilant sentinel, constantly monitoring the process, ready to signal when something is off-kilter. SQC, however, is the grand overseer. It covers the entire spectrum of quality control, ensuring your product is top-notch from start to finish. It's not just about preventing defects, but also about assuring that the end product is of the highest quality possible. Together, SPC and SQC form the backbone of effective quality management. They drive efficiency and excellence in any industry, from manufacturing to services. They are like two sides of the same coin, each essential in its own right, but more powerful when used together. To summarize, SPC focuses on process consistency and reducing variability, while SQC aims to improve overall product quality using a variety of statistical techniques. Both are essential tools for quality management, and when used effectively, they can significantly enhance the efficiency and quality of your manufacturing or service processes. Remember, quality isn't a destination. It's a continuous journey, and tools like SPC and SQC are your trusted companions on this journey. They ensure you stay on the right path, steering clear of unwanted variability and defects. They help you deliver a product or service that not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. So, next time you ponder about quality control, remember the unique roles and complementary nature of SPC and SQC. They are the unsung heroes that drive quality in every process, every product, and every service. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of quality control and management.